How do you change your birthday on Snapchat? Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can basically change your birthday on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to change your birthday on Snapchat, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Snapchat app. Then once you launch the Snapchat app, you want to make sure to tap your Bitmoji profile from the very top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the Bitmoji icon over here, you're going to see this type of interface where you need to just tap the gear icon from the top right. Here you'll find a section called birthday. Just tap on it. All you need to do is simply enter the new birthday that you want to use over here. Once you select the new birthday, tap on the continue button, and once you've done that, your birthday will be successfully changed on Snapchat. The one thing you have to understand is that changing your birthday, if there's much of a difference, that is also going to change your horoscope. And this is simply how you can actually change your birthday on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.